passion is water, and our dreams are seeds. If you want something, you must work hard to achieve your dream. Here's a story of Ace and his exceptional passion in learning the digital piano. One afternoon, Ace came home and heard his dad playing piano music.
Dad, I'm home!
Welcome home, son.
Ace went to his dad.
What's that beautiful music, Dad?
I am playing my favorite piano music.
They sat down to talk.
Long ago, people loved to play classical instruments.
Wow! How many pieces do you know, Dad?
Well, quite a lot.
Was it hard to learn how to play the piano?
Son, everything we do or learn needs passion. You must put in time and effort to work on it.
They continued to discuss the importance of passion.
What were both of you talking about?
Ace's mother asked while laying the table.
Oh, I was asking Dad about his favorite music.
Your father likes to listen to piano music. It helps him relax.
Can I play the piano too, Mom?
Yes, but you must be patient to learn and not give up easily.
How long do I need to learn?
That depends on how much effort you put into learning.
Mom continues to talk about the importance of effort in learning.
Oh, it is time to go to bed, son.
The family finished their dinner and got ready for bed.
Good night, son. Sleep tight. I love you.
I love you too, Dad.
It was Saturday. Ace and his dad were walking around the mall when they heard the piano music.
Dad, can we go and see what is happening?
Sure, son. Someone's playing the piano.
They walked towards the music and saw a pianist playing the piano.
Wow, that piano is so big!
Ace said excitedly while he listens.
Dad, can we get a piano?
Ace asked.
All right, son, but you must wait.
Dad replied. Ace was very happy. Ace started to listen to piano music on his computer. As Ace's birthday is in 2 weeks, Dad decided to buy him a digital piano online as a surprise. On Ace's birthday, he invited rain and shine to his house. Suddenly, Ace saw his dad telling someone to bring the present over.
Whoa! Can I open it now, Dad?
Yes, go ahead.
Ace opened the big present and found a digital piano inside.
Wow! It is a digital piano! Do you want to learn piano, Ace? Yes, I want to play the piano. Do you know how to do it, Ace?
Ace was very excited and replied.
I think I can.
Ace discovered playing the piano is not as easy as he thought. He pressed the keys and started to feel sad.
What is wrong, Ace?
I do like it, Dad, but playing the piano is hard.
Ace said while he frowned. He wondered if he could play the digital piano. Ace's father encouraged him to not give up.
Son, every great thing starts with little practice until you get good at it. Have you ever seen a flower grow in just one day?
No, Dad. Our teacher said it takes many months, and you must water it daily until the seed becomes a flower.
This is the same for playing the piano. To learn, you have to be passionate and practice every day.
Ace was happy after his father encouraged him.
Thank you for this birthday gift, Dad.
Ace said while he gives his father the biggest hug. The next day, Dad saw Ace practicing the digital piano.
Phew! Practicing the piano is harder than I thought.
What song do you want to learn, son?
The happy birthday song, Dad, since you gave me this digital piano for my birthday. Do you know how I can get better?
Ace asked his father. He wants to learn the piano well.
You must be patient, passionate, and determined to learn it.
I want to play your favorite song, Dad.
Well then, keep practicing. I will always listen to your progress.
Okay, Dad.
Since that day, Ace started to play the digital piano whenever he has time. After a while, they noticed Ace could play the happy birthday song as his first piece of music. His parents saw how passionate and determined Ace is. After 5 weeks, Ace played the happy birthday song on the digital piano for his parents.
Dad, I did it!
I told you, passion can help you achieve what you want.
Ace was so happy with his achievement. He wants his friends to hear it too.
Can I invite my friends over tomorrow?
They are always welcome.
The next afternoon, Ace invited Shine and Rain to his house. He began to play the happy birthday song.
Wow, Ace! How did you learn so fast? I spent a lot of time practicing because I am passionate. Was it hard to learn? It is hard at first, but I remind myself to keep trying.
The two were amazed by Ace's passion for learning the piano.
Can passion help me achieve my goal? I want to be the best student in English.
You must keep going even when it is hard. Passion keeps us going to achieve our goals.
Since then, Ace played his digital piano in his spare time, while Rain is committed to excel in English. Passion is water, and our dreams are seeds. If you want something, you must work daily to achieve your dream. It may take you a while, but with passion, nothing can stop you. Being passionate is finding what you love to do. You want to keep doing it all the time. Stop and think. Do you have something you love to do that you lose track of time? Dive deeper on them and explore more. Keep watering the seeds of your dreams and passions.